Hi everyone, warm welcome to my channel, where today I will show you something that I actually didn't plan to film at all. I have ordered a new wallet and I wanted to open it myself and have a look. But when I opened this box, I got such a wow feeling that I wanted to share with you. So I have ordered this from DIOR online boutique. And this is actually the fourth time that I'm ordering something from their online boutique. And unfortunately, all the three previous times, I got something with a defect. It was a belt, a wallet, and so on. And I had to return. I even wrote to their customer care saying that it was really an unpleasant experience. So this time, it's the fourth time shopping at their online boutique, and either this will be also with a defect or it will be great experience. Either way, I thought I'm gonna open it with you and we will have a look together. So let's have a look. And you will see why did I get a wow feeling. Ta-da! Look at that. Usually they pack things in wide boxes, at least those three times that I ordered previously, but this time the order came in this beautiful artistic DIOR box, which gave me such a wow feeling, really. I mean, I love it. It's packed really perfectly. And also have a look here. It's a little shopping bag with a star charm. And that says DIOR here. It's really lovely. So usually their boxes were in this kind of paper, white, elegant boxes. But I mean, when you open a package, it doesn't give like a very wow feeling. But this box I'm in love with. Therefore, I wanted to open it with you and show to you how beautiful it is. So I really love it. But the main question is, will only the box be that impeccable or also the actual wallet that I've ordered? Because based on my previous experience, it was always either scratched leather or the hardware was scratched. So I really don't know what to expect. So let's have a look together. I will put the box aside, but in the box you also have some documents. I think this envelope is really nice. There's also a beautiful message from DIOR, and they write that in matters of elegance, detail is of essential importance, and that they put extra attention to the details and the hope that this order will prove to be a source of delight. So as I said, three previous orders didn't show at all that they would care about details. So I hope that this will be a positive change. So let's unbox it. I really love the blue ribbon. And let's now have a look at what's inside. A dust bag, which is, I mean, what is it? Is it dirty? I think it's dirty, right? Okay. Well, interesting, but let's then have a look at the wallet. So here it is. It's in a sand color. Really nice shade. Shade is just as I have expected. And the hardware isn't scratched, at least the logo here. But the latest wallet that I've ordered and had to return, it had some scratches on the hardware inside here. But this time it's covered. Last time when I received it, this part wasn't covered by a protective sticker, so it was scratched. So let's see. Here you can see. Now this is interesting. So this part must have been kept like that, and the leather is scratched. Here you see. I don't know how did that happen? If I put the zipper here, it doesn't touch that part, so how did that happen? I mean, and what is this? It's deformed. I don't know what to say. Oh my lord, look at that. Can you see the stitching? The stitching isn't even. Look at here. And then it goes. Wow. If we compare stitching on both sides of the wallet, look at the stitching here and compare it to this side. What is this now? It's uneven. Wow. Wow, I don't know what to say. If you look from far away like that, it doesn't show. Here it's okay, but on this side, is that normal that it's deformed like that on this part? Let me do a close-up so you can really see. I mean, is that something that you would expect from a luxury wallet, from a luxury brand that says that they care about every detail? I don't know. I'm surprised. The leather feels really nice, but it's those small details that matter. Here's a little close-up. What would you say? Is that a normal? Should I keep it? Even this corner, I mean, you must be blind to not see that it's an uneven stitching. If this was the first time, I wouldn't be that disappointed, but it's literally 4th in a row, both belts and wallets. I mean, seriously, where's the quality control or something? And I love their canage stitching, so I wanted to have something in that, but this is so demotivating. So sorry Dior, but this was the last time I've purchased in your online boutique, because since I wrote to customer care 3-4 months ago, I see that nothing changed. And you know what's most disappointing? That it is actually someone packing the order, putting so much attention to the box and the blue ribbon and everything that will follow with the main item, but they just ignore the stains or defects on the item. It's just incredible. I mean, look at that. It's some mark, actually even 2 marks, or maybe even more. Some threads are loose. But I mean, okay, dust bag is dust bag. But what has happened with the stitching and deformation here, plus the mark here? I don't even understand what could have touched this part. It doesn't touch anything, even if you put it like this. All right, in this case, I will probably have to return it, because I mean, I had big hopes, but I don't want to keep something just because the box is pretty. And honestly, I will not try for the 5th time to get a product that I pay for in a great quality. And just to show you what I mean by the previous orders, I will put photos that I've sent to customer care here in the video, so you can see what I mean. The belt and the wallet. So maybe not the most cheerful video of this time, but I thought that it will be something nice, and then I will share that. But in this case, it's another disappointment. And I also must mention that I didn't have same issues buying in their boutiques live, although I've only been once, but of course I could see the item that I'm buying. So probably if I want to buy this leather wallet, I will go and buy it live. So thanks everyone for watching.